In the heart of Brazil's lush Atlantic forest stands a masterpiece of architecture that blends modernism with environmental sensitivity, the Blue House. Located in Serra do Guararu, just 500 meters from Iparanga Beach, this home rises in the middle of a protected natural reserve. The challenge was clear: to create a luxurious residence without disturbing a single element of the surrounding beauty. From the very beginning, the architects worked under strict regulations to preserve the integrity of the landscape. The construction zone was defined by a 2-meter perimeter from the house's projection, limited to an area approved by environmental authorities. Everything beyond this line was left untouched, allowing the natural habitat to remain intact. The solution was to elevate the structure on pilotis, creating an open span 15 meters long and 8 meters wide beneath it. This space became the home's main social and leisure hub, naturally shaded by the structure above and seamlessly connected to the outdoors. Beneath the house stretches a wooden deck, slightly raised from the ground to protect it from moisture. Its organic shape, inspired by the works of legendary landscape architect Roberto Burle-Marx, flows around the vegetation, blurring the line between design and nature. The swimming pool, partially shaded, sits between the deck and the forest, creating a gentle transition toward the sea. A rustic stone wall runs perpendicular to the deck, separating the leisure area from the service zone. This wall, paired with structural pillars, adds a grounded, natural character while giving a sense of strength to the open space. The main building is composed of 2 stacked concrete volumes, slightly offset from each other. The first volume, on the main level, features floor-to-ceiling glass on both sides, framing sweeping views of the surrounding trees and the ocean beyond. When opened, the glass panels transform the space into a vast veranda, merging the living and dining areas with nature's panorama. On the upper level, four bedrooms are nestled among the treetops. The long facades are screened with wooden muxarabis, filtering sunlight into a warm, dappled glow while maintaining privacy. Inside, wooden frames, built-in furniture, and a natural color palette echo the textures and tones of the outdoors. The blue house uses simple yet thoughtful materials. Exposed concrete flows into stone-textured floor tiles, while the entrance pathway, made of large stone slabs, gradually blends into the surrounding earth and vegetation. The result is a seamless transition between man-made form and untouched nature. This is modernist naturalism at its finest. Rather than dominating the landscape, the blue house seems to land lightly, opening itself fully to the environment. The home appears to float among the treetops, inviting its residents to live in harmony with the rhythm of the ocean and the whispers of the forest.